Welcome to the Victoria College Learning Management System www.victoriacollegemoodle.in. First of all, collect your user ID and password from your teacher. Then open your Google Chrome or any other browser from your mobile and type the address victoriacollegemoodle.in. Then you can see a login at the top right end. Click on it. Enter your username and password. Then click on login. Scroll down and click on courses. Then you can see your course here. For example, biochemistry. Click on biochemistry. Here on scrolling down you can see the resource materials. For example, you have a exam biochemistry. Click on it. Then attempt quiz now. Read your questions and select your answer. Then click on to next page. Likewise, you can select other answers. And finally, you can finish your attempt. Then you have to submit all and finish. Once again, click on submit all and finish. Finally, you can see your score here. Your grade is shown here and each answers are also described here. After doing this, you can go back to your dashboard by clicking on this box. Click on dashboard. Again, you can see your course here. Click on it. Enjoy your course. Thank you.